What if we told you one of the most iconic elements of the internet, something we all use probably every single day, just got its biggest transformation in a quarter century? That's right. The Google search box, that plain white rectangle you've typed billions of questions into, just got a radical redesign. And trust us, this isn't just a fresh coat of paint. This is Google changing the rules of how we find information online, and the impact is going to be enormous. We're looking at a complete shift in the digital landscape. Before we go any further, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on this new era of search. We're diving deep into what's new, why it matters, and what this means for your life, your business, and the entire web. This is the search evolution we've been waiting for. Let's start with a bit of history. For more than 25 years, the Google search box has been a constant in our digital lives. It's been the starting point for nearly every discovery. You open Google, see that thin white rectangle, type in your question, and out comes a list of blue links. It's iconic, and let's be honest, if the internet had a face, that search box might be it. But as the world changes, so must Google. The way we interact with technology is moving toward a more natural, conversational style, and the old rectangle just isn't enough anymore. At their annual I/O developer conference held just recently, Google announced the first true overhaul of the search box since its inception. This was a monumental moment for the tech giant. We're not just talking about shifting a few pixels or tweaking some colors, they're fundamentally reimagining what a search box can be and what it does for us. It's about deep integration. So, what's changed? In short, pretty much everything about how you'll interact with search. It's no longer a one-way street of keywords and results. Now, instead of just typing keywords, Google wants you to see the search box as a jump-off point for a conversation powered by AI. It's about asking the why and the how without hesitation. You can start your search with text, as always, but now images, PDFs, video snippets, and even open Chrome tabs can be used as part of your search query. It's truly multimodal. Think about that for a second. If you've ever had a screenshot of a strange plant and wanted to know what it was, now you can drop that image into the search box. You don't just get an answer, you can engage with follow-up questions immediately. The context is preserved so Google knows exactly what you're referring to. If you're knee-deep in multiple Chrome tabs researching a trip or a project, you can pull those tabs directly into your search. We're talking about cross-contextual understanding. It's a level of flexibility that blows the old search box out of the water. It turns the entire browser into an active participant in your search for knowledge. But there's more. Google is also merging its AI overviews and AI mode features into a single, seamless search experience. No more jumping between different interfaces. What did this look like before? Previously, you had to choose between a traditional results page with blue links, what we're all used to, or a newer AI-powered experience. That split forced us to pick a side. Do I want the classic Google, or am I ready to trust AI? It felt like an experimental transition rather than a unified product. Now those days are gone. Whatever you ask, Google decides when to present you with AI-generated overviews, summarized answers pulled from all across the web, and when to show you classic results. There's less friction, less decision fatigue, and a much more intuitive experience. It's about getting the best answer in the format that makes the most sense for the query. Google's Liz Reed, the vice president and head of search, even called this the biggest upgrade to our iconic search box since its debut over 25 years ago. That's a bold claim from the top. And when the person running search is that bullish, you know it's a big deal. We're seeing the company bet its entire future on this generative agent-led model. But let's zoom out for a second. Why should you care about this? Is this just Google flexing its AI muscles, or does it actually change how you use the internet? We believe it's the latter. The search box has always acted as a gateway to information, but until now, it's been a fairly passive tool. You type, it fetches. No context, no memory, no understanding of nuance. With this redesign, Google is leaning fully into the idea of search as a dynamic, evolving conversation. It's a tool that actually tries to understand the intent behind your words. Take complex reasoning. Imagine asking for the best yoga studios in Boston within a 15-minute walk of Beacon Hill with intro rates. Google now uses Query Fan-Out to solve this all at once. It generates dozens of subqueries in the background, mapping distances and scraping pricing, then synthesizes them into a single, organized response just for you. Think about researching a medical condition. In the old days, you'd type symptoms and cross-reference messy links. Now you can input a doctor's note as a PDF and toss in a photo of a prescription. You can ask a follow-up question all in the same flow. We're moving from finding documents to getting synthesized insights tailored to your specific situation. Then there's search with video. Imagine pointing your camera at a malfunctioning record player and simply asking, why will this not stay in place? Google sees exactly what you see. Gemini extracts specific frames to identify the model and the mechanical issue, giving you troubleshooting steps like balancing the tone arm without you needing to know the technical terms. Because Google's AI can now process images, PDFs, and even video, search becomes accessible to a much wider range of people. It's not just for keyword power users anymore. It's about making knowledge universally accessible in genuinely new ways. We're lowering the barrier to entry for complex information discovery. Of course, there are major concerns. The introduction of AI overviews has created significant anxiety in the SEO world. We're seeing what some call the visibility cliff. Research shows that top-ranking pages can see a 34 to 46% drop in clicks when an AI overview is present. Some publishers have reported even more extreme losses. But there's a paradox here. Google claims these overviews actually drive more diverse traffic. About 63% of sources cited in AI overviews don't even appear in the traditional top 10. This means the rules of SEO are changing, traditional keyword stuffing is out, semantic depth and EEAT, experience, expertise, authority, and trust are the new priorities for us all. Looking ahead, Google is moving into agentic search. We're talking about information agents that can monitor the web for you 24/7. Imagine never having to refresh a page again. You could set parameters for an apartment hunt and the agent scans continuously, notifying you the second a match is found. It's search that works for us while we sleep. Google is even expanding its ability to contact businesses on our behalf. From booking beauty appointments to scheduling home repairs, the engine is becoming an action taker. They're even building super widgets on the fly. Interactive tools generated in real time, tailored specifically to your exact query. It's a level of personalization we've never seen. There will be growing pains. Some people won't love the idea of AI filtering their information. We'll have to confront tough questions about accuracy, privacy, and control. But let's be honest, the web is bigger and messier than ever. The old paradigm just can't keep up. Google has to help us find meaningful, actionable answers to remain indispensable. So, as you get ready to use the new search box, think about what this actually means. It's not just about different results, it's about changing our relationship with information itself. The search box is no longer a wall, it's a doorway to a smarter, more interactive future. We're stepping into an era where search is a collaborator, not just an index. Let us know in the comments what you think. Are you excited, skeptical, or just wondering what this means for your workflow? We'll be reading and responding to as many as we can. And if you want to keep up with all the latest in tech, AI, and the future of the internet, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on our updates. For those who want a deeper dive into how AI is transforming everything, including your business, check out the link in the description to book some time to chat with us. Don't click away just yet. There's a related video right here that you do not want to miss. It dives even deeper into the world of the AI revolution. We'll see you in the next one. Take care and keep exploring the future of search with us.